Hello friends, welcome to my new video. Today we see the mathematics second paper, chapter number first, similarity. You know that which is called similarity in ninth standard. First, ratio of area of two triangles, which is called ratio. You know that ratio is the division of two numbers a and b, and we denote it by a divided by b or a is to b. This is called a ratio or proportion of two numbers a and b. We have to see the ratio of area of two triangles, which is called ratio of area of two triangles. What are the properties or what are the formulas of ratio of area of two triangles we have to study in this chapter first. Then you study first the which is called base and height of the triangle. You know that there are different types of triangles: right angle triangle, base and height triangle, equilateral triangle, but we study about the triangle which have base and height. Now see here, in the below example we draw the two triangles and we have to give the answers for this. First question is, which is the base in triangle ABC? See in this triangle, which is the base in triangle ABC? The seg BC is the base in triangle ABC. See here. Now, which is the height in triangle ADC? Which is the height in triangle ABC? This is the question number 2. See here again, seg AD is the height of triangle ABC. Similarly, now for triangle PQR, question number 3 is, which is the base of triangle PQR? Seg QR is the base of triangle PQR. Which is the height of triangle PQR? Seg PS is the height of triangle PQR. And question number 5, what is the formula of area of triangle? You know that the formula of area of triangle, such type of triangles, is 1 by 2 into base into height. And which is called ratio? The ratio is the division of two numbers a and b, which is denoted by a divided by b or a as to b, is called ratio or proportion. You know that it is in 9th class. Now we have to study the properties of ratio of areas of two triangles. Then the first property is, property means formula for solving the examples in practice set 1.1. so that, see here, which is the first property? The first property is the ratio of areas of two triangles is equal to the ratio of the products of their bases and corresponding heights. This is the property first. It is also called in short as different base and different heights triangles. So see here how to prove it. We draw two triangles of base and height ABC and PQR. Now given, what is given to you? In triangle ABC, seg BC is the base of and seg AD is the height. In triangle PQR, seg QR is the base and seg PS is the height. To prove that, we have to prove that area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR, the area of triangle is denoted by symbol as, you know that how to denote it, is equal to BC into AD divided by QR into PS. That means the ratio of their product of their base and heights. Proof: area of triangle is equal to 1 by 2 base into height. Now the area of triangle ABC is equal to 1 by 2 BC into AD. That means BC is base and AD is height. Give this equation number 1. Area of triangle PQR is equal to 1 by 2 into QR into PS. Give this equation number 2. Dividing equation 1 by equation 2, hence we get the ratio of areas of these two triangles is equal to 1 by 2 into BC into AD divided by 1 by 2 into QR into PS. 1 by 2 is common, we cancel it, hence we have area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR is equal to BC into AD divided by QR into PS. If we denote base and height of triangles by B1, H1, B2, H2, then this formula is area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR is equal to B1 into H1 divided by B2 into H2. Hence we it the ratio of areas of two triangles is equal to the ratio of their products of base and their corresponding heights. We proved it. Now property number 2, which is property number 2, the ratio of area of two triangles with equal height is equal to the ratio of their corresponding bases. This is the property number 2. That means in Marathi, दोन त्रिकोणांच्या क्षेत्रफळांचे गुणोत्तर जर त्यांची उंची सारखी असेल तर त्यांच्या पायांच्या गुणोत्तराबरोबर असते. Now see here, what is given to you in triangle ABC. Again sec BC is the base and sec AD is the height. In triangle PQR, sec QR is the base and sec PS is the height. And AD is equal to PC. That means heights are equal given to you. See here. Now we have to prove that triangle ABC, area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR is equal to BC divided by QR. That means their corresponding bases, ratio of their corresponding bases. Proof: area of triangle ABC or area of any triangle is equal to 1 by 2 into base into height. You know that. Now area of triangle ABC is equal to 1 by 2 into BC into AD. Give this equation number 1. Area of triangle PQR is equal to 1 by 2 QR into PS. Give this equation number 2. But we know that AD is equal to PC given to you. Give this equation number 3. From equation 2 and 3, that means area of triangle PQR is equal to 1 by 2 into QR into AD. Here we put, instead of AD we put here, instead of PS we put here, instead of PS we put here AD. See here. Therefore dividing equation 1 by 4, we have area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR is equal to 1 by 2 into BC into AD divided by 1 by 2 into QR into AD. Now there are common 1 by 2 and AD. We cancel it, hence we have area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR is equal to BC divided by QR. Hence we proved it. The ratio of area of two triangles is with the same height is equal to the ratio of their corresponding bases. Now property number 3 is the ratio of area of two triangles with equal base is equal to the ratio of their corresponding heights.